Hi, welcome to Costa Rica all on 4. Today I will show you a case of a patient that came from Seattle to our country to make a full mouth rehabilitation. The idea of the video is to show you the process in which we make so we can change her smile in just 1 week.
I'm from Seattle, Washington. I'm here to take care of my snaggletooth smile and so I don't look like a crack addict.
So, how is the procedure? Actually, it's very easy. First, we have to make a very good clinical exam to the patient in which we're gonna take photograph, x-rays, and of course, a clinical examination. After that, we're gonna make a digital smile design so the patient actually can see how the final restoration will look. Immediately, we're gonna start prepping all the teeth and taking impressions so we can send that to my laboratory and they can immediately start working in the case. Just 3 days later, they're gonna send me the porcelain so we can check how is the function and the aesthetic of the case. And 24 hours later, we finish the process.
Hi, my name's Jenny Walden and I'm from Seattle, and I'm so excited even though my mouth's still numb a little bit because I just got my new smile back. And I'm really happy. I could cry because my teeth were bad and I didn't know what to do, and I was scared, and it was really expensive in the United States, and I came down here and I've never been treated better and had more success, and I'm really excited to go home and to be able to go out in public again and not worry about how bad I look. And just, these guys were wonderful and they took good care of me, and I can't believe how great the results are. So thank you so much.
If you are having trouble with cosmetic in your dentistry, having trouble with your bite and your smile, don't doubt in contacting us. I will ensure you we are going to be the best option for you for your mouth rehabilitation. Thank you.